So this is the biggest shift since probably Google for all websites, particularly author websites, because that's what we work on. What I'm going to show you right now is how you can show up in AI search and why you should. So let's get started. What's up, everybody? My name is Trip Mayhew. I'm the CEO of the Results Group. We make author branded platforms to help you sell more books. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through this blog post, which you can also access on the Results Group on our blog, but I'm going to kind of put it up here on YouTube because I thought it'd be pretty important. So AEO, it's the biggest SEO shift since Google, and most websites are missing it, especially probably 90% of all author sites. So AEO is the 24 SEO. Most websites have not optimized for it yet. The authors and the businesses that establish topical authority in AI search right now will own these citations for years, just like the websites that dominated Google in 2010, because no one is using Google anymore. Everyone is going to ChatGPT, Perplexity, Grok, Gemini, or Claude, and they're saying, hey, how do I do this? What do I do this? Where do I do this? This is something that is happening to the search. This is a huge shift, and there is a specific way that you could set up your website so that way you show up for certain terms or certain locations in your area for AI search. So ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, Grok, they're not just chatbots. They are new search engines, and millions of people, especially the younger tech-forward readers who buy the most books, they're becoming the first place to search, not Google. The question is not whether AI search will matter for your author platform. The question is whether you'll be cited when it does, and you'll show up. So what is AEO, and what does it actually mean? AEO stands for Answer Engine Optimization. It's the practice of structuring and writing your website content so that AI-powered answer engines, ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, Grok, Gemini, own AI overviews. They reference and cite your content when answering user questions. You may also see it called generative engine optimization. It's a term coined by researchers at Princeton in Georgia. Did not know that, by the way. In 2024. Both terms describe the same thing. AEO is the term that is stuck in the marketing world. There is also LLM, SEO, large language models. It's not important, but AEO is not replacing SEO. It's a new layer on top of your website. So if you don't have that, you're going to want to talk to somebody so that way you can get it. The fundamental difference between traditional AEO and SEO is this. Google ranks your page and hopes users click through. AI engines synthesize an answer from multiple sources and cite the ones they found most authoritative and clearly written. So how you make it authoritative and clearly written is really the secret sauce to get you cited. And this is why this is not hype. Just all you have to do is look at the numbers. There's 200 million plus chatbot or ChatGPT weekly active users, 100 million Perplexity, 40,000 Gen Z users use AI before Google. That's going to be about 75 in 3 weeks from now. So let that last number sink in, and that is this. 65% of Google searches now end without a single click to any website. It's wasted advertising space if you're advertising there. So the window is to establish authority in AI search is open right now, because once you do establish your site as authoritative and you're the most important answers and they cite it, then you're going to get stuck there. You're going to get stuck. And so when people start doing certain searches, you're going to show up. So here's how AI search actually works and why it's different. You're going to get, I'm not going to go through all of this. You can go to the blog post and read it all, but basically authority, clarity, structure, specificity, and freshness. Now, if you're an author and you're thinking, dude, all I do is write books, man, I don't even want to deal with that. Right. That's why our author platform is actually built. This is built. We've built this into the cake. This is part of our cake. This is part of our mixture. And if you haven't watched the video on why you need an author platform more than you need just an author website, then go to that video right there, or just look down below, or wait to the end of this video and there'll be a link, or you could just go to my main page and search for it, the author platform walkthrough. But If you don't have this built in, you should. There's 8 ways to optimize it. You're going to write direct answer format, add FAQ schema, create your LLM tech. You guys don't need to know. This is in the weeds. Our organization does all this for you if you're interested, but I'm not going to go through that. But you're going to have a checklist. So here's the deal. The window's open, but it's not going to be open forever. Somebody is going, and they're doing it right now, is going to be gathering this information so that way they show up in romantasy, they show up in dark academy, they show up in action thriller novels. Maybe you put up a blog post to your website. Like if you've seen mine at tripmayheebooks.com, I actually have my own blog post so that way I show up, whether they're going to read my books or eventually connect to my company, the chances are a lot higher. So AI search is it's in his kind of like 2007, 2008 moment when search became good, when Google just blew up. And you have basically about the next 12 to 24 months, and the quicker that you get on it, the more you're going to get cited, the more authority you're going to have, the more authority you're going to have, the more leads you're going to get, the more people are going to read your books. Or if you're not in the book writing author website business and you do have a business and you just happen to be on the site and you want AEO experts to come in and manage your AEO, SEO, and GEO, then reach out to us, book a call. We'll be happy to walk you through it. The system's the same. We just tend to focus on the creatives and authors. That's because that's what our brand is. But we have multiple engineers that build this. We could do it on a monthly basis, on a one-time basis, which we don't recommend. You're going to want to get some traction going, but all you got to do is get in touch. Just go to theresultsgroup.com. Guys, if you like this content, if you like learning about how to make the most money as an author or an entrepreneur, digital nomad, or a book writer, or any creative, then like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys on another video. And maybe I'll Google or go into my chat GPT and I'll search something and maybe you'll come up. All right. Aloha. We'll see you guys. Bye.